Greetings to everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video on my channel and we are going to look at 5 ideas for small businesses. Number 1. Market Trader. On the commencement of COVID-19, people find congested indoor places. Thus, in response, market stall traders are quickly emerging and making it the UK's fastest expanding sector. Starting a market stall can be a profitable option for you because, per a report, the UK economy has seen a substantial rise in market stall traders who have increased by 92%. However, there are a few things that you need to decide before opening market stall, such as if you are going to rent a space or perhaps want to acquire a van to move about the street, type of goods, your target market, and your pricing plan. Or food stalls, handcrafted jewelry, craft stalls, and vintage clothing are a few of the well-known market style concepts in UK. Number 2. Animal care. Since the beginning of the pandemic, 2.2 million people in the UK have purchased pets. So it should come as no surprise that the number of new dog walking businesses increased by 22% annually, according to the Pet Food Manufacturers Association. The UK has long been known as a nation of animal lovers. In the UK, beginning a pet walking business is extremely simple with low startup expenses and little risk. Startup expenses offering you service to look after people's pets, whether it be by walking them, staying with them overnight or during the day to keep them company, or even taking them to the vet. Is a great way to earn easy money. People go to work and have to leave their pets behind. They need dog sitting services to keep their pets healthy and active. Number 3. Childcare facilities. With an anticipated growth rate of 24.8%, childcare services business in the UK is placed 10th among human health and social work activity industries by market size. Number 4. Home baking. Whether it is a festival, event or any other gathering occasions, people like to celebrate, and no event is complete without cakes and snacks. The largest rise in home baking was in South Central England, where there was a growth rate of 49%. This was followed by the Midlands with a 47% increase, Northern Ireland with a 47% increase, and London with 15% increase. Starting a small-scale bakery can be the best business to launch if you are talented at baking. It's simple to set up and maintain, and it offers great potential for big earnings and growth. Number 5. Online store. With an estimated $105 billion in sale in 2022, United Kingdom will be the 4th largest e-commerce market in the world. Fashion make up the majority of the UK's e-commerce market at 31%. Toys, hobbies and DIY projects accounted for 19% of revenue, followed by electronics, media and food and personal care 17%, and furniture and appliances 15%. E-commerce enterprises are simple to launch with low startup expenses and little risk. Simply conduct market research on product demand and competitive pricing. Buy stock at a discount and start. However, in starting an internet store, you have two options. The fact that these platforms have sizable and engaged user bases is the main advantage of selling goods there. Start your own websites or start selling on popular UK marketplaces like Wayfair, Amazon, eBay and Etsy. The fact that these platforms have a sizable and engaged audience is the main advantage of doing this. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video and would want to receive more insightful advice in a variety of life situations.